Hey everyone, this is Adam here, and today we're going to be learning how to make a paper parachute. Now, here's what we have first. Right now, what we have is the structure of the model. Now, it has holes in it because that's what we're going to be needing to do. We need them holes because not the sexual kind of way. So, anyways, the first thing we need to do, actually, this will be a really short video, I know for a fact, because it's not going to be that hard. Anyways, first thing you're going to do, where is that? Oh, here it is. Here. You're going to need a rubber band. First off, take this. Make it straight rubber band. Next thing you do, you take two toothpicks. You don't pick your teeth with them. You're not gonna have to, since they're toothpicks. You're supposed to pick your teeth with them, but we're not gonna use that for that. And we're gonna have to put them like that. The two holes I have in there, that's for the toothpicks, just like that. And guys, and if they fall off, that's why we're gonna actually warning. This includes hot glue. So we have a hot glue here. We have hot glue here. I gotta move everything now. And now with this, we're gonna learn some science here. So hot glue can be really helpful actually due to its temperature and how when it cools down, it'll turn to plastic. I like that. So we're gonna be using that. I know you can't see it. Hold on. It's really hard to see. Okay. I'm just putting it all on there. Okay. Hang on, guys. Now we're gonna. Oh, the hot glue's falling. Okay. Gonna put that on there. Stick it on there. Nope, it didn't even go in there. Okay. That was stupid. That was a waste of time. Okay. Let's try that again. One more time, please. Alright, let's get closer to the camera, at least we'll see it. Okay, alright, and have it in there. Yes, do we at least have it in there? Hold on. Okay. Okay, we want to make sure the hot glue doesn't fall. It's almost about to fall, guys. Okay. Alright. Now once we have that in here, let's do the other one. Now we should make sure it's the same size and everything. So at least make sure I know it has the same balance. Make sure, guys. And now, well, I can't see it. I'm gonna pour the hot glue right on top. This video's already gotten long. So, yeah, there we go. Oh, whoa. Okay, there we go. Putting the hot glue there so it doesn't fall. Now, just wait for it to dry. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Now you have the toothpicks on there. On the parachute. Now after when you have the toothpicks glued onto the parachute, next thing you want to do is take your rubber band. Now guys, in the science form, the way how I know the parachute was able to at least glide was because right now they had weight on it. A little weight. And for this kind of parachute, you're going to need something a little bit more lighter for that. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to tie this ring. It's a yin-yang ring. I got this on a gumball machine because I wanted to. Anyways, and then right now we're going to put the yin-yang ring inside here just to make sure and we're going to make sure it's balanced. So at least it'll glide its way, like Fortnite. But like on Fortnite right now, they had had two right now poles on the side to make sure right now it would glide and stuff. That's what we're going to be doing right now. That's what we're going to have to do. Now, once you have the ring inside of it, right now we're going to have to put that on the side because we need to tie this bad boy. Let's tie it real good. Now, okay, let me just tie it. We'll put it on the camera, at least so you can see it. Right. Oh, I fell. Alright. Let me at least let out the camera at least facing it. It's gonna fall, that's the problem. Hold on. There we go, perfect. Now, where is it? Now we're gonna have to just tie that together. Make sure you tie this together at least so we don't fall. Now, so daddy won't fall. Now, once you have that tied, you wanna make sure, it's collapsing. Alright, yep. And there we go. Okay. Yep, there we go. Yay! Look at that. It's tied together now. Now we now it's perfect and it's straight. I like that how it's a little bit straight. Okay, perfect. Now guys, we have it. Oh wait, that's not that side. It's not even straight at all. Is it straight? I can't tell. Anyways, I guess that's how it looks like right now from that. It's a cool looking rhino. It's cool looking. We all like cool lookings. We all like a cool looking parachute. And it's falling. It's like slipping out. Oh god damn it! No, it fell. Okay, yep, that's a problem you want to watch out at. Oh shoot. Okay, it's keep falling for some reason. It's falling. It's falling. We don't want that, people. People, we don't want that. We don't want that. We never want that. And now we, okay, there we go. We have to have that thing tied. We have to have that thing tied up. Alright, I think that thing's tied up real good now. We already tied that thing real good. Okay. Just make sure. Alright, now the next thing you do is just cut the rest of it. Be careful. Alright. There we go. Now we have a little mini parachute and we have a little weight on it. See, it goes straight down at least. But that's not the thing. We're gonna have to go take it to its limits. Alright. Let's take it out onto the field. There we go. Oh yeah, I think we should glue it just to make sure. Yeah, guys, next step, glue it. Just to make sure. We're just making sure, people. You always gotta check and double check, guys, and maybe triple check. Who knows? You gotta always check. Damn it, I'm burning my fingers. Okay. And it fell. Okay. There we go. Alright guys, now we had it glued in. Okay. It's glued in already. Now guys, let's take it to the battlefield. Alright. We're going. We're taking this baby out for a spin. Get on the light, please. Light, please. Alright guys, this is the test. Actually, we're gonna need to face it. We need that thing to face it. I think I right here. I don't know. It has to face at least. I don't know how we're gonna do that. Oh, I got it. Come on. Let me put the parachute straight down there. Okay, and put that right here. That's good. That's all I needed. Alright guys, now I'm gonna be standing on top of this chair. And I need a camera for this. Alright guys, this is the parachute. Now I'm ready to launch it. Here we go. Let's see if this thing, whoa. I'm standing on top of it, guys. Here we go. Oh, it worked, guys. If my camera was on the, hold on. Look at that. Let me see my camera right here. Alright guys, I'm up here. It worked! Yo, guys, it worked! No way! It worked! It was like flying! Hell no, it worked! Oh, I didn't expect that. Yo, I think it should have more altitude. No, we should. Oh, that was a fail, actually. That was a fail. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Alright. Stop shaking, stop hesitating. It went on that side! Yo, it was gliding on this side now. Yo, we did it. Oh, guys, we did it. We invented the parachute. It's an awesome parachute. It was like, when I was dropping it, it went this way. Okay, it was making because of the weight on this side. It's probably because right now it's not really balanced. Yeah, I was gonna fix that because now it's like this slanting right now. It's because this side has more force into it. That means it'll have a lot of power. So now we don't have, like it's gonna go this way every time. It'll just go this way all day. Like drop it, it's gonna go moving somewhere else, or that. Whatever. Anyways, right now, guys, so we built it. It kind of worked. Let's try it one more time because I feel like watching it. Doing it again. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, now it went this way. It went this way. I don't understand. Maybe because I was pointing it this way. I guess maybe I'm turning this way, but every time I go this way, yeah, maybe that's why. We found out the case, people. Let's do it now, like going this way now. Oh, I moved my finger. Hold on, my finger was in there for a second. Hold on, let's try again. Take 500 billion. Yes! No way! It went here, there. I wanted to go this way. It worked. Guys, we built it. We built it, our parachute. Alright, guys. Alright. We built it on our parachute. Also, shout out to Dragon City. It's a really cool game right now. I have it on my iPod. And now it's a really cool game. You get your dragons, you get to breed them, you get to learn to feed them, you get them stronger, battle them right now. It's amazing. That game's real cool. You should get it right now on the App Store, and it's free. It also has really cool challenges for people to do. You can battle online people too right now. It's really awesome. Go play it now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see y'all later. Bye.